Hi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
My name is Karamveer Singh. As your IELTS speaking examiner, your speaking includes three parts. First part is introduction question, second is cue card, and third are follow-ups. So move on to your introduction. Please introduce yourself.
My full name is Deep Kaur. I am from village Tikriwala, which falls in Banana district.
Okay, how may I address you?
You can address me by my first name, Devinder.
Okay, do you work or study?
I have just completed my senior secondary from Meritorious Sangrur in non-medical stream, and now I am planning to continue my further study on the land on foreign term.
Okay, why you choose non-medical stream?
I choose non-medical stream because of various reasons. The first and foremost reason is that I have keen interest in science, and moreover science are more fascinating to me. Whenever I do different types of experiments in the science, I find it very interesting.
Okay, which subject is your favorite?
My favorite subject is science and mathematics as well, because science is completely related with our surroundings, and mathematics is also related with our the daily life calculation.
Okay, do you like to pursue your studies in that particular stream?
Yes, I love to pursue my further study in that stream, because whenever I get a chance in the future to, then definitely I would like to continue my further study in that stream.
Okay, your next topic is clothing. How important are clothes and fashion to you?
Clothes and fashions are playing an indispensable role in the life of myself. Whenever whenever I go for shopping, I completely fully focus on to buy a cloth type and brands as well.
Okay, what type of clothes do you dislike?
I like clothes dislike because of various reasons. The first and foremost reason is the color. I do not like the dull color clothes, and moreover, I always give preference to wear a clothes which have a good quality material.
Okay, how do you feel about shopping for clothes?
I am shopaholic person, and I have keen interest in shopping. Whenever I go for shopping and I have to buy a clothes, firstly I put full focus on the colors, and after that the material of
Okay,
the.
do you like to buy expensive clothes?
Basically, it is only depends upon my financial status. If I have an exorbitant amount of money, then definitely I will buy expensive clothes. Otherwise, I am satisfied with the least ones.
Okay, so your next topic is daily routine. Describe your daily routine.
And my daily routine is very well planned by me. I woke up at approximately 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. After that, I go a Sikh temple which is situated in my hometown. And after that, I ready for my institution. And when I came back home, at that time, I give preference to reduce my stress while visiting a park in my hometown.
Okay, are all your days are same?
It is very difficult to describe for me, because the days which are past is all same, but in the future I do not have any idea about these days.
Okay, how you spend your weekends?
I spend my weekends in a different way. Majority of the times I give preference to spend my weekends at home to complete my pending work, but some of them are the weekends which I spend to visiting various places with my family members.
Okay, your next topic is relax. What do you do to relax yourself?
I do different types of activity in order to relax myself. First of all, there is one library which is situated in my hometown, and it is just approximately stone's throw away from my residential area. The environment of this library is a very peaceful environment, so that is why I love to visit these libraries.
Okay, do you like to go on holidays with your friends?
Yes, I love to give preference to spend a holidays with my friends, because each and activity which I do with our friends become more enjoyable. So this being the reason that why I give preference, why I give spending a holidays with my friends.
Okay, which is your favorite place you visit during your holidays?
During my holidays, Chandigarh is my favorite destination.
Okay, why?
There is a different type of reason. The predominant reason is that the environment in Chandigarh is a very clean and hygienic. Moreover, there are other different places such as shopping complex and restaurants and cinemas as well. Because of these type of places, I love to visit Chandigarh.
Okay, by which means of transport you visit there? By public or private?
Basically, it is only depends upon the situation. If I have an exorbitant amount of money and enough time, then definitely I would buy my own private vehicle. But sometimes if there is any problem in vehicles, then definitely I love to visit by a public ones.
Okay, do you like to recommend Chandigarh to your friends to visit there?
Yes, majority of the time I also tell to tell my friends about the Chandigarh because it is a very valuable city and there are different types of places which are worthwhile. In the Chandigarh there is a Rose Garden and Sukna Lake as well. These places are very indispensable role for reducing the stress of every person.
Okay, which is your favorite weather?
My favorite weather is a rainy weather because I am a very busy person and I do not get to spend the quality of time with my family members. So rainy season give me an opportunity to spend a time with my dear ones.
Okay, what type of activities you enjoy during the rainy season?
During the rainy season, I do different type of activity. Majority of the time, I am a very foodie person and I love to cook different dishes during the rainy season. So I made a coffee and fritters at my home and distributed to my own family members.
Okay, do you like to go outside during the rainy season?
According to me, it is very hard to go outside from the home during the rainy season because during the rainy season the weather is completely wet and nobody can able to go outside from the house.
Okay, do you like to travel by car?
Yes, I have a like to travel by a car because car is a very convenient and it is a time consuming as well.
Okay, with whom you like to travel with car? With your friends or your family members?
Basically, to be very honest, I give preference to both of them. If I have a spend a time to relax myself, then definitely I would buy with my friends. But after that, if I have a go for shopping and other buying a household chores, I love with my family.
Okay, do you like to drive car by yourself?
Honestly speaking, I do not have a boatload information about the driving a car, so I do not like to drive a car.
Okay, which is the farthest place you visited by car?
I vividly remember that few years ago I visited Goa with my whole family members. At that time I spent a summer vacation at that time. So this is the farthest places which I visited by a car.
Okay, do you like to live in your hometown?
Yes, I love to live in my hometown because of several reasons. The predominant reason is that my hometown provides all rudimentary facilities to all citizens.
Okay, what type of basic facilities are available in your hometown?
According to me, the basic needs of every person is a shelter, food and education. So education facilities in my hometown is a very well planned. If I talk about the health center, then there is a one hospital which is situated in my hometown and nobody have to go outside from my hometown for any treatment.
Okay, do you like to live there for a long time?
Basically, it is undeniable fact that future is unpredictable. So it is very hard to imagine about future. But in the future, if I will get a chance to live here, then definitely I would never miss that chance.
Good.